Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with some happy mail I found in my mailbox. I was actually, she actually told me she was sending it and I'm not sure. She called it sweet mail. Oh, she's so sweet. This is from Marianne at Marianne's Craft Corner. If you don't know who she is, she does do videos here on YouTube, crafty videos. I will leave her link in my description box below so you guys can go check her out. And let's see what she has in here. She's so sweet. Oh my gosh, look at how pink everything is. It's beautiful. She has a card here. Thank you. Thank you for what? Aww. For playing with her. She did have a, she hosted a swap. You had to send 2 embellishment boxes in. She kept one and she was going to send one off to someone else. So that's what this is. Someone else's embellishment box that entered her challenge. I got to receive it and it looks beautiful as I can see it. So, oh look, she got some Kit Kats. This is a cute pillow box. I like it that it has the frosted love all over it. Yummy. Ooh, I'm going to have to eat one of these now. And I'm going to have to reuse this beautiful packaging. Look at this. A gift to you. This is cute. So, I don't want to open the bottom. Let's see if I can get to it from the top. Oh yes, some hand sanitizer. How cute. So cute. Thank you. You know, this is always comes in handy. I love this box. Such a cute idea. Thank you, Mary Ann. Thank you. Oh, look at this. So, let's see. Okay. This little letter, wood veneer. I want to get into this. Look at how pretty this is. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, I think some stuff is falling out. That's probably where it came from. Okay. Let's just look at the top. Look at how pretty everything is. All the layers, the flower layers, the crepe paper, the bow, kindness. It's on some foam. Love the shaker here. Oh, okay. Let me open this. Anticipation. What is this? It's a little paper pad. How pretty these papers are. So I think this is from Marianne too. Thank you so much, girl. Wow. Hey, just keep letting me know when you have more challenges. I'll enter. Okay, let's check this embellishment box out. I'm going to leave it down because I feel it's opening. Yes. How pretty. Okay, let me move stuff a little back. Maybe if I can figure out where they were. Oh yeah, maybe they were just all right here. Oh, how cute. Cute. I love it. So fun. So we have some trim here. How beautiful is this trim? It's sewed with seed beads and the sequins. Can you see the black? If that helps it show up better. Kind of. But you can see the sparkle in it. This is pretty trim. Thank you. I don't even know who this box is from yet. Maybe it's not nowhere. I don't see it. Okay. Maybe it's on the bottom. It is. It's on the bottom. It's from Eve Ara. She's on YouTube and Instagram. I'll leave her information in the link below as well. So beautiful. And look at this vinyl bowls. I don't have any of these. Thank you so much. And look at this other bowl with the butterfly in the middle. So cute. And then she's gifted me some of those butterflies and some gemmies. Oh, I like these raspberry type ones. Oh, look at this. It's pretty. It's got gold flakes in it. I don't know if the camera is picking that up or not. Oh, and then the bear. So cute. Thank you. And then, oh, look at this strawberry button. And then some of these flowers with the center, like the raspberry type of center. Pretty. And then some in pink. Oh, and some wax seals. I don't have any wax seals yet. Thank you so much. How cute is this ice cream? It must have come off from one of the other pockets. But more beads. Love it, love it. All the different types, hearts. Some of the candy wrap ones. Look at this flower rose. Pretty. And then, okay, some of these felt flowers. Did you make these? Oh, they're so pretty. And then more charms. Oh, thank you. Look at the flower one and the heart one. Those are beautiful. And then, this is pretty. Oh, I love these. More beads. And I can use them to hang for dangles. They're already wrapped, which is so beautiful because I cannot see too well. And then you saw the wood veneers. And then she has a little bottle of seed beads. Love that. And then the 2 bunny rabbits. I used these and made some dangles. And if you didn't get to see that video, I'll leave a link to that video here. Oh, so fun. I'll also leave a link to my original video where it shows you what I sent, I believe. If not, it'll be showing you what Marianne received. So if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate your love and support. Thank you for stopping by today. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.